Along with growing fruits and vegetables, what you must grow in your garden are these herbs and flowers. And the reason for that is simply because these will ward off pests in your garden, and they also attract beneficial pollinators.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey.
Now right here I have me a few. I have right here rosemary, I have these marigolds, and I have me some thyme. Now rosemary is a very beneficial herb to have in your garden. You can use it for many things. One such thing is for tea. Alright, so the marigolds, they are one of the best to have in your garden to ward off pests. Pests, they do not like the smell of marigolds, and pollinators are attracted to their beautiful blooms. Now thyme is something I rarely cook without. They do attract pollinators as well, and they do ward off pests. So all of these right here are a win-win, and there are many others, but these are what I am planting out this evening, so I'm only making mention of these. But of course you can definitely add others to the mix.
Come garden with me now, man.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. Alright, so rosemary and thyme, they smell so good. They like to be planted in well-drained soil. As a matter of fact, they can grow in any terrible soil. Like the soil, you don't need to have a nutrients rich soil to plant these too. They can grow in drought-like conditions. So I think that's a mistake I've been making. Like sometimes I don't remember, like when I'm feeding the other fruits and vegetables in my garden, what I do, I also feed them, and they don't need that, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to companion plant both of them so that I can always remember not to give that particular container any of my liquid fertilizer or any manure. Like the soil that they grow in can be as terrible as terrible. Don't need any rich soil to grow in. Alright, so that is one thing to bear in mind when you are growing them. I will companion plant both of them, and I do a lot of companion planting. One of the main reasons is simply because it's a small space, and so I try to make the most of my tiny space that I have right here. Now both of them love full sun, and so I'm going to put them in this container right here that I know gets full sun for maybe up to 7 hours per day. So let's get them in the soil. Alright, so let me get the rosemary in first. I'm going to put it to this side right here. Alright, so let me make the hole. Let's put this soil over here. Alright, so that hole is big enough. I'm just going to burst this open, and you can see that this soil is very poor. And look how lovely it looks. Alright, great. So it is in with almost all of the soil it came in. Alright, so I'm not even going to cover the soil that it is in. I'm letting it rest just the same on top of here. Press it in a little. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so now to make the hole for the thyme. Alright, so let me just pull this off. And they don't like too much water as well, so that is one of the things that really affected the ones that I currently have now as well, because of the rains that we were getting. They have to be getting 6 to 7 hours of sun during the days, so you have to take that into consideration, not to water them too much. I'm trying to get as much soil in as possible. I'm taking my little time because I want to ensure that it remains in the soil that it comes in. Some of it shattered, but not much. Press it down a little. So I let both of them grow together. Needs being, when they get to a certain point, I can propagate from them. Look at my gloves. So like I'm watering them now, I'm only going to give them a good soak when the soil dries out. I did not plan on where to put these, so I'm here wondering where am I going to put them? Alright, so I'm going to put them in those areas for now. I definitely need to get some more, or plant some more. Can you imagine? I just planted out this one right here, so, and this one right here, and when I went to check, it was recording, so I didn't get that. But anyways, one is right here, one is right here, and I'm going to put this one right here. Happens to me all the time, you know. Like when I just finished those a while ago, I said, all right, let me pause and then come to this one, because I wanted to get some more water. And when I look, it was recording. use this soil and to have this soil someplace else. Thank you all so much for watching. Until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.